It's one of the largest national parks in the world, covering 4% of Kenya's total landmass. Encompassing two parks, Tsavo West and Tsavo East, the area is patrolled by some of the largest elephant herds. The standard gauge railway cuts across the park due to budgeting concerns. Conservationists argue it will restrict wildlife movement. But the project's environmental officers say these concerns have been taken into consideration.
To protect this wildlife, the railway has come along with a fence. The fence is to prevent animals from coming to the railway, the underpass to allow animals to cross from either side of the railway.
China Road and Bridge Corporation, the contractors of the project, worked with Kenya Wildlife Service and zoologists to gather large amounts of information on animal migration. As a result, many corridors are built along the railway.
Inspection shows that an elephant will walk through, and an elephant is reasonably tall, and a giraffe can also pass under.
In our case, we were asked to do a lot of bridges, a lot of underpasses to make sure that animals continue to pass through that corridor without interfering with the movement of trains, without any accidents happening. And those have been done, and they are working very, very well.
The CRBC says as part of an agreement, it will rehabilitate any negative impact caused by the project.
We won't start each phase of the project before a full environmental assessment has been conducted, and during construction, we worked very hard on protecting vegetation and trying to preserve the original ecological environment.
And it is not until that the National Environmental Management Authority is satisfied that the mitigation measures proposed have been undertaken that a license is issued. That tells you the commitment of government to balance between environmental conservation and infrastructure development, and we did both.
Visitors from across the world come here to experience and observe the wide variety of wildlife. And now as Kenya unveils its new railway, a shorter and easier trip between Nairobi and the Tsavo National Park is possible.